everything you learned about change management doesn't work anymore because Kotter's 7-step change model and Kurt Levine's unfreeze, change, refreeze were all built for a time where it was like, prepare for the change, do one change, and embed the change, which is like, like when was the last time you had one change going on? And so, prepare for it, or actually get the full ROI for it, right? Yeah. So it's fun because you kind of set this all up. I do this really fun exercise to start it, which I just have them sign their name, and then I have them put the pen in the other hand and sign their name again. And I ask them how they felt the second time, and that exposes all these universal human reactions to change, right? Took more effort. I had to pay attention. I felt clumsy, incompetent. Right, and I said, okay, that's always been true of change, but you used to feel that like once a year when you had the change. Now we're in perpetual change. So we're at step 1 with one change, step 3, step 7, so we have all these changes. And so what's happening is the human brain is built for predictability. Everything about our amygdala is built to check the horizon, make sure everything is the same as it was yesterday, and go, okay, now I can get on with my day. And we are now in a state of perpetual arousal. Like, oh my God, that's changed. Oh my God, that's changed. Oh my God, I can't turn up John Street. It's closed. Like, what do you mean? We're in this perpetual change. And so a manager's job becomes managing anxiety. Your number one job as a manager now is managing anxiety. So you have 2 human reactions to that kind of perpetual change. Some of the people just bug out. They can't handle it, and they just go like, well, I am what I am, take it or leave it, all these awesome cliches that we use. And we just become too comfy to care. We're like, this is me. Like, if you don't like it, fire me. But they just check out. Or the other folks who go to this like, oh my God, okay, I have to do this, and I have to do this, and I have to do this. And they become almost immobilized, too anxious to act. So I put out the question to the audience, okay, which do you have more of on your team? Too comfy to care or too anxious to act? And almost every table comes back with, we have some of both. And I say, yeah. So you got to stop managing by meeting. Because in one meeting, you can't turn up the heat and turn down the heat. And managers are all trying to manage in meeting. And it doesn't work.